Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell turned on, hit the like button, leave me a comment below. Comments always help, you know, tell me hi or let me know what you think about what I'm getting ready to show you. It's Mystery Box Day. It's Lion Brand Mystery Box Day. Oh, how I love to open mystery boxes from Lion Brand. Okay, now Lion Brand, always sign up to the mailing list because they'll send you an email whenever they have mystery boxes in, and I can't pass up a Lion Brand mystery box, even though I know that they're always going to be, if you buy more than one, they're almost always the same. I don't know why. It's just thought of maybe getting something different one time. I buy it. Anyways, their mystery boxes are $19.99, and sometimes they contain 9 balls and sometimes they contain 7. Let's just get right to it and open them up. Want to? Sometimes they're mystery boxes, and sometimes they're mystery bags. They're bags today. Bags. They feel pretty full. Could be something big up in there. Ah, that's a pound of love. I can tell. More likely, it was probably some of their clearance yarn that they couldn't get rid of. That's okay. That's okay. That's all right. Clearance yarn, it's just as good as other yarn. I buy clearance yarn all the time. I buy it out the wazoo. Every time there's a clearance sale, Bagoday is there buying it up. I do not give a crud about clearance yarn. It's just as good as regular any other type of yarn. All right, you guys ready? I'm so excited. I love mystery bags. They're so much fun. They're so much fun. I know there's pound of love in there though. I can feel it. What did I get? Oh, what did I get? It's a pound of love. It's a pound of love. I knew it. There's all this stuff. It's a pound of love. This was in the clearance section because I bought some of it. This is the color taupe. I love it because I love brown. But I do have several balls of it here from their clearance sale. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. 1,020 yards of a medium weight number 4, 100% premium acrylic yarn, straight from Lion Brand. Nice. So that's in there. What's this? Oh, we got some Basic Stitch. I like their Basic Stitch. Basic Stitch anti-peeling acrylic. It is a medium weight number 4 anti-peeling acrylic, 157 yards, 3 of them. Beautiful two-tone there, or whatever, you know, gray and white twist. I have this here too from previous mystery boxes. I don't care. Now I have more. 3 straight from Lion Brand's mystery box. Here's something else. Oh, Lion Brand Hometown. The thick stuff. Lion Brand Hometown. This is the super bulky number 6, 100% acrylic. 81 yards or 74 meters. It's a very pretty gray. I like that. 3 balls of that. So that was a mystery box number 1. Will it be the same for 2, 3, 4, and 5? Or will they be different? I don't know. I'm going to guess that they're going to be the same. But like I always say, maybe, just maybe, I'll get a different color of one of these. I like it. I'm happy with it. I am. I like the Basic Stitch. I like the pound of love. Although I do have this stuff here. Hey, it's okay. I don't have this though. I mean, I have their Hometown, of course. I don't have it in that gray color. It's very pretty. Very pretty. All right. Mystery bag number 2. I hit myself in the face with it. Feel it. There's a pound of love. It's gonna be the same. Oh, it is. Okay. Well, it's the taupe pound of love. I can see that. Yes, another one. 2 pounds of love. 3 more of the gray Hometown. It is a really pretty gray. I like that. And 3 more of the Basic Stitch in the Same color, straight from Lion Brand, $19.99 for 7 balls, but one of them is huge. All right, number 3. Will it be the same? I'm going to guarantee that number 3 is going to be the same. But it's still fun opening them up. Oh, it is the same. Another 3 balls of the basic stitch. Boom. Another big pound of love. Pound of love in the taupe. Boom. And 3 more of the gray hometown. I like it. I'm getting down to my last boxes. Or bags this time. Bags. It does say in the description that you'll probably get the same thing. But there has been times that I haven't. Maybe once. But hey, it was a time. There was a time. Okay. I just shoot for that time. I think about that time. Positive thinking. Oh, it's the same again. We got 3 more basic stitch. Boom. And another pound of love. Same color as well. And 3 more of the hometown in the gray. One more bag from Lion Brand. One more bag. Will it be the same? Yes. Do I care? No. Because it is so much fun. Pop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's 3 more balls of the gray hometown for a total of 15 balls of that. And it's 3 more balls of the basic stitch for a total of 15 balls of this as well. And another pound of love in the same color for a total of 5 pounds of love, or over 5,000 yards of a medium weight number 4. Boom. Another one bites the dust. That's it. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, I got too much yarn. Let's give some away. Hey, okay, I'm going to throw some in a box. We're going to have a giveaway. But don't mention in the description that it's a giveaway. It's our secret giveaway to all those who watch me from start to finish, because you know how much I appreciate that, who are always commenting on my videos, you know, and or even if you don't comment, you know, you're watching me from, you know, and my videos from start to finish, and not just my giveaways and that's it. I mean, I don't care about that, but I like to do secret giveaways for those who like to watch all my content too. So I don't need all this stuff. I don't need it. So let's throw in some pounds of love. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 pounds of love. I'm gonna throw in 4 pounds of love. 4 pounds of love. I do like this gray stuff here. I don't have it. How about some basic stitch? How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 balls of basic stitch. I'm gonna keep that that gray hometown, because I have an idea in mind, but that's okay. Don't go. I got more. So we got 4 pounds of love there. 15 balls of basic stitch. Let's see what else I can come up with that's in reaching distance of me right as we speak. Let's see. There's a lot, but where do I begin? Where do I start? I don't know. Okay. How about some ice yarn? I got some ice yarn. This is ice. This is their alpaca blend, merino blend. There's two hanks. Two hanks. Here's some ice yarns. I don't know much about it, but there are 8 balls of that. We'll throw that in there. Blue. Here's some more ice yarns. I don't know much about it. I think it's a mohair acrylic blend. 8 balls in there. Here's some more ice yarns. It's very nice cotton, but it's the bumpies. It's the bumpies. This cotton's got the bumpies. 4 balls of that in the box. Okay. I can't make it too huge because shipping went up. Oh my gosh, it's so much money to ship. So, yeah, that's the yarn. I hope that's good on the yarn aspect of it. And then, let's see what else I got here. Oh, I got some stitch markers from Rose. From Rose Likes Crochet. Let's see what we have here. I got so many stitch markers. Okay. I have some Starbucks. Looks like boba tea, or however you call it. That will go in the giveaway. And then I have some butterflies giveaway. And then I have, this is a yarn ball with knitting needles in it. 3 stitch markers. Well, actually 5, because 3 packs, 5 stitch markers will go into the giveaway. Huh. What else? What else do I have that I can give away? I have nothing. I have nothing that would be of interest to anybody. I can't, that's not too heavy because I can't make my box. This is already a pretty big box here that I got to ship off. So let me think here. I don't want to be cheesing anybody out on a giveaway here. So, man, oh man. Oh, how about a hand-dyed yarn by me? Now remember, I always put a disclaimer on my hand-dyed yarns. Wash it, hand wash it by itself because it could bleed. I set it in vinegar, but I am not a professional dyer, so I would be careful with that one. How about which one should I throw in the giveaway? You get a bot original. Not too many people have this. How about this blue? This is a very, very beautiful ombre. When you unhank it, you can take this tie off of it. I'll do that right now. It doesn't even need it. I just use that for dyeing so I didn't like burn my hands off. I probably still did though. But anyways, this is so beautiful. When you unhank it, it starts from light and goes to dark. Please remember, use with caution. I'm just giving you my warning there. But it is very pretty. Hand dyed by Mrs. Bod. Oh, the color is called ink pen in the dryer. That's what I named it. You know when you go dry your clothes and you're done and there's ink pen all over your clothes and all over your dryer? Just dark spots and light spots and you're all so mad. This is what it looks like in my dryer whenever I dry an ink pen. And it's all over my clothes. So that's what you'll win. So what do you have to do to enter? Well, you can't mention giveaway in the comment. Okay, you got to be subscribed. You got to like this video and read the description because it's going to tell you all about it. When it starts, when it ends. It starts the 29th and it'll tell you when it ends and everything like that. But you got to leave a comment and don't say giveaway or I'll delete it because it's a secret giveaway. You know, I do secret giveaways sometimes. What I want you to say, that way I know that you actually watched the video, in the comment section, you have to nonchalantly, just nonchalantly say, oh man, how can you nonchalantly say something without giving things away? I got it. I thought about it for a minute, but I got it. You know how I called this ink pen in the dryer? I need you to nonchalantly, without using the word giveaway, without saying, hey, thanks for the giveaway, anything like that, nonchalantly use the word ink pen in your comment. As long as whenever you, I don't care what you say, but as long as whenever, if your name is popped up, you have the word ink pen or pin, you know, writing pen, ink pen or pen, I'll accept either. Or even ink, any of those, ink pen, or pen, nonchalantly incorporated into your comment, you will win if your name is picked, okay? Now remember to read the rules in the description box. I love you all. It was a good time. Stay safe. See you on my next video, okay? Bye, guys. Good luck.